In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Calendar in Gmail. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to open your calendar right from your inbox on both desktop and mobile, so you can schedule without breaking your workflow. Let's start on a computer. Open your browser and go to mail.google.com, then sign in to your Gmail account. Once your inbox loads, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with icons. Click the calendar icon to open a compact Google Calendar panel right inside Gmail. This panel gives you a quick snapshot of your schedule, so you can glance at upcoming events without leaving your inbox. From here, you can also create a new event and edit existing ones. It's perfect for adding a meeting while you're reading an email or confirming times on the fly. If you prefer a full, spacious view, click the Open in New tab arrow at the top of that panel. That instantly takes you to the full Google Calendar page in a new tab, where you get all the powerful calendar features in a larger layout. There's another easy way to reach Google Calendar from Gmail on desktop. With Gmail open, go to the top right corner and click the Google Apps button, the small 9-dot grid. In the menu that appears, click Calendar. You'll be redirected straight to the full Google Calendar page. This route is great if you know you want the complete calendar experience right away. Now, let's cover mobile. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the top left. Scroll down and tap Calendar. This takes you to your calendar quickly, so you can check events or plan on the go. If you don't see Calendar in that menu, install the Google Calendar app from the Play Store or App Store for a smoother experience and direct access from your home screen. A quick pro tip to save time: if you use Calendar a lot, bookmark calendar.google.com in your browser, so it's one click away. On desktop, you can also keep that right side calendar panel visible in Gmail to schedule quickly while you handle messages. That's it. You've learned how to open Google Calendar right from Gmail using the side panel, the Google Apps menu, and the Gmail app on mobile, plus a couple of simple ways to make access even faster. Try each method and use the one that best fits how you work.